Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chrysler Pacifica key fob. It is important to know that, for most Chrysler Pacifica models, especially those from 2017 onwards, self-programming is not possible. These vehicles require specialized diagnostic equipment to program new key fobs. Therefore, this guide will help you understand the necessary steps to get your key fob programmed by a qualified professional, ensuring it functions correctly with your vehicle. Modern Chrysler Pacifica key fobs are not simple devices. They incorporate advanced security features and encryption. This technology prevents unauthorized access and requires specialized diagnostic equipment to communicate with your vehicle's immobilizer system. Without these specific tools, it is impossible to properly sync a new key fob. Attempting to program it yourself could potentially lead to issues or even damage to your vehicle's electronic systems, making professional assistance essential. When you need a Chrysler Pacifica key fob programmed, your primary options are automotive dealerships or certified automotive locksmiths. Dealerships have proprietary tools and expertise for your specific vehicle. However, many independent automotive locksmiths also possess the necessary specialized equipment and can often offer more competitive pricing. It is wise to call at least 2 or 3 service providers to compare their costs and ensure they can program your specific key fob model. During the programming appointment, the professional will connect specialized diagnostic equipment to your Pacifica. They will then access your vehicle's security system, often requiring a unique 4-digit PIN code to authorize the new key fob. The process usually involves a few steps, including adding the new fob and verifying existing ones. This entire procedure typically takes about 15 to 30 minutes, after which your new key fob should be fully functional and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.